slime off this. I mean, that's what it feels like, slime, man. What it feels like. Just a little spot. Look at all the little worms on it.
Huh.
Ruined their day.
So right now you're just roughing it in?
Yeah, I'm getting this surface flat. I love that cart. That's laughing that goes by.
Reminds me of trying to get Badger to do something.
Yeah, that's what this makes me think of Badger for some reason. I don't know. Bowl.
Okay.
I'm just, real honest, I'm just kind of getting the slime off of it right now. It's just sat a little while. It's yellow poplar and it's gotten just a little slimy under the bark, and I'm just kind of getting rid of that just before I go start hollowing the bowl out here in a minute.
Okay.
Kind of getting my shape.
So no lathe, huh? Just all hand cut.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hew this one out. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that like? Yeah, near thin enough on the bottom. That's where it's really got to come off at. You got to get this cleaned up here. So, get my hatchet back. Best carving axe there is, man. That Brands for Brooks carving axe. That thing is just sweetest tool. Use that there is.
I like how much the tone changes as you work on it.
Yeah, they just keep sounding different as you work them. That's how you can really tell when you're doing the outside, getting down close to that hole. That tone changes. That bowl starts to change its pitch. You know when you're getting in there where you want to be. Yeah, that's about where I want it. Just a little more on this side. Don't need that at all. Now I can pull them sides out just a little bit more.
What are they doing? Oh, he's carving wood. Wait.
Thank you.
Just trying to get a little bit of every step.
had a way to hold it, it'd be really ready for gouge work at this point.